Hello friends, this is Jasprit Kaur from Canada. Basically, I'm from Mansa. Today I was surfing Facebook and I saw SD College page and I was down memory lane, cannot resist to share my feelings with you guys. So couple of years ago I was trying to crack IELTS exam to fulfill my dreams. I was wondering here and there like which institute I have to go for my training. I was so frustrated on that time. One of my friend told me about ST college crash courses and she was forcing me to go over there and take a one-on-one class. If I will like the class then I can join further. Moreover, it was very confusing for me to join the course. I was thinking overnight and next day I decided to go over there. First day I went college and I met principal ma'am and course in charge Monga ma'am. Both were super cool, cooperative and friendly. After attending first class, I was thinking seriously they are teaching so good and my reaction was काश मैं पहले आई होती. So friends, now it's your turn to choose the best. This spoken English crash course improved my communication skills, boosted my confidence, and worked as a stepping stone to achieve my goals. Friends, as it worked for me, I'm sure it will work for you too. Now it's your turn. All the best. And that is SD College Manza. Thank you.